Today I thought I'd do a short video on how to use an automotive paint spray gun. With these techniques, you should be able to pick up any spray gun, any paint, and be able to get great results. Once you have your paint mixed and your gun adjusted the way you want it, the next step is to spray the paint. Now on your spray gun, you'll notice that you have air, fluid. Again, air, fluid. Basically, the air is always going. The only time the fluid is coming out is when you're going over the panel. So, we start at the end of the panel with air, then we go across the panel with fluid, and then air again. So here we go, just this short little part. We go air, fluid, so air, fluid, air. Then air, fluid, air. So this will be a tack coat, and again we're just going to go air, fluid, air, fluid, air. So we start with air, then fluid. So I'm just going to give this a tack coat and try to concentrate on when I use the air and when I use the fluid. And I'll try to narrate that as I go along. So again, this is just a tack coat. Should be a very light coat just to get the paint to stick. So air, fluid, air. Air, fluid, air. Air, fluid, air. Air, fluid, air. Air, and then fluid, and then air. And that's good for a tack coat. The second coat is going to be a medium to wet coat, and it should start to look very nice at this point. Remember that each pass is going to overlap the previous pass so that it looks nice and smooth. What I do is I hold the hose with my left hand and I spray with my right hand, and it would be opposite if you're left hand, but I hold the hose so I don't drag it across the work. And then I look down the panel as I'm spraying. Remember, the spray gun is about a hand's width away from the panel, and again, have your gun adjusted before you start spraying. Okay, so this is going to be a medium to wet coat. And I'm going to leave that because it is a little bit cold today, so I don't want it to run. So this is the second coat. We're going to let this dry for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back for the third and final coat. On the third and final coat, we're going to make sure that everything is uniform and wet. So I'm going to make sure I'm looking at it as I'm spraying it to make sure that it lays down real nice. And any dry spots, you want to give it a little bit of a mist coat to help it melt in. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on the basics of how to use an automotive paint spray gun. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.